Hi everyone, PTB Spotter here, and today I'm at Monifieth. We're going to be seeing services from Scotrail and 2 services from LNER. So yeah, let's get into the video. Arriving in now is the 1421 Scotrail service from Arbroath to Dundee. And it is 158709. And arriving in at the same time is the delayed 1414 Scotrail service from Glasgow Queen Street to Aberdeen. And the front is 43036, and we will get the rear when it departs. Departing out now is the delayed 1414 Scotrail service from Glasgow Queen Street to Aberdeen. This train's departing out about 7 minutes late. The rear is 43034. Passing through now is the 1445 Scotrail service from Aberdeen to Glasgow Queen Street. (43183) and 43134. Passing through now is the 1451 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Aberdeen. And that was 17411. Passing through now is the 1458 Scotrail service from Aberdeen to Edinburgh Waverley. And that one there was 43037 and 43028. Arriving in now is the 1538 Scotrail service from Aberdeen to Glasgow Queen Street. Front is 43148. We will get the rear when it departs. Departing out now is the 1538 Scotrail service from Aberdeen to Glasgow Queen Street. rear being 43139. Arriving in now is the 1543 Scotrail service from Dundee to Arbroath. And it is 158709. Departing out now is the 1543 Scotrail service from Dundee to Arbroath. Passing through now is the 1557 LNER service from London King's Cross to Aberdeen. And that was 800-105. Passing through now is the 1558 LNER service from Aberdeen to London King's Cross. 800-106. Passing through now is the 1611 Scotrail service from Glasgow Queen Street to Inverness. And that was 174.52. Arriving in now is the 1646 Scotrail service from Arbroath to Dundee. And 158709 is back again. Passing through now is the 1636 Scotrail service from Aberdeen to Glasgow Queen Street. And that one there was 43129 and and 43176. Departing out now is the 1646 Scotrail service from Arbroath to Dundee. Look, Aaron, it's your favourite train. It's looking for you. Passing through now is the delayed 1654 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Aberdeen. (174.07) and is running about 9 minutes late. Passing through now is the delayed 1714 Scotrail service from Aberdeen to Edinburgh Waverley. (43034) and 43036. And that'll be our final train of the video, so if you've enjoyed it, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys. Passing through now is the 1712 Scotrail service from Dundee to Aberdeen. that was 158721, which actually got cancelled between Glasgow Queen Street and Dundee due to points failure.